right, and there's our end cap piece on. I did have to cheat. I really did not feel like taking the the tailgate off. I just had this idea of 74-year-old bolts breaking on me. So we got it underneath on that side, looking all good through here, and over the top here. And I actually just, if you saw, there's obviously a weld repair that had been done here, similar to what I had in the upper opposite corner. And I guess because that's original metal and that's not original metal, I didn't feel any loyalty to that metal, so I just went ahead and zipped it off. So technically we're wrong there in that one goes under as it should, one goes over the top as it should not, but you know what, we're gonna call that good enough. Holy gosh, she is all screwed in, and what a job that was. I think we spent about, I don't know, 2.5, 3 hours just screwing everything in. Of course, a few bolts were stubborn. Had to go to the store to get some extra long bolts to go through here because it was just not enough clearance to get a nut on. And then we had this bubby right there. Holy crud. Yeah. Trying to access that thing and I couldn't even get the big washer on like you're supposed to because there's not enough, it won't clear, it's not big enough. So we used a smaller washer, had to get my 11-year-old with his smaller hands to get that nut on there, and that was the last one. Holy gosh, but hopefully this looks something like that diagram that I've been showing you. Flat washers, skinny ones, got the big frame bolts in there. Those were not easy either, but hopefully this looks something like that diagram that I've been showing you of regular bolts and locking washers, then the big washers, and so forth, and on down the line. What a job, but she is done. Well, let's take a look at our final results.